As the fossil fuel supply depletes, electrical and hybrid vehicles are not anywhere near the distant future. They are here and now, and they are updating continuously. So it is an essential knowledge to have by an engineer. This video deals with electrical and hybrid vehicles, their layouts and the components in the said layouts. Let us start with battery electrical vehicle. In short, it is also known as BEV. So they are propelled using electrical motor purely. They have regenerative battery pack, that means it can be charged again and again. They have electric propulsion system. They have energy source subsystem and auxiliary subsystems. So electrical propulsion system involves actually the driving part of it. Energy source subsystem involves the charger and the battery pack setup, and auxiliary subsystem involves power steering, air conditioning and other things which are required by an vehicle. So we will move to the layout of battery electrical vehicle. These are the parts of it. Firstly, there is a charger which is connected to external supply while charging the battery. There is a battery. Then there is a drive control which has the feedbacks from the brakes and acceleration. Then there is an inverter. Inverter is used for converting the DC storage of the battery, DC supply from the battery, to AC supply which is required to drive the motor. Most of the times the motors are AC, sometimes DC motors are also used. In that case, inverter is not required. Also, the drive control gets the feedback from acceleration and brakes, and mostly all the battery electrical vehicle have regenerative braking system. That means the energy depleted, the kinetic energy reduced during the braking is stored back in the battery itself and to be given to the motor at the time of need again. So it is continuously regenerated energy. The last part is the transmission, which is basically a gearbox which is essential and is present in every vehicle. It involves differentials and other things. So this is it for layout of battery electrical vehicle. Now we will move to the hybrid electrical vehicle. Hybrid electrical vehicle is propelled by both electrical motor and an IC engine, and it uses compatible component for both of them. Some components are compatible with electrical motor system and others are compatible with IC engine system. So there are two types. The first one is series hybrid. So here the electrical motor drives the transmission, and IC engine and charger are both used for charging this electrical motor, both used for the charging. So the IC engine required is of low capacity. There is no need of high capacity IC engine. IC engine is not allowed to directly drive the vehicle. It is used for charging the battery or the supply of the electrical motor. So this can be pursued as layout of series hybrid electrical vehicle. So there is a drive control and the inverter to convert AC to DC, which are same components from battery electrical vehicle. The inverter provides AC supply to AC motor, and which in turn drives transmission. But for this drive control there are two parts. There is an external charger whose energy can be stored in battery and which supplied to drive control, or there is an IC engine which has generator, and the electricity output of the generator is provided to motor. So this is series hybrid. Then there is a second type of hybrid electrical vehicles, that is parallel hybrid vehicles. Parallel hybrid vehicles is where electrical motor and IC engine are used for driving. In series they are used for charging. Here they can directly connect it to the transmission. Motor as a generator with small battery storage. The motor is used as a generator with a small battery storage when the vehicle is driven using IC engine. So if IC engine is working, the motor acts as a generator. and it is required to have large capacity IC engine. So if my battery backup dies or anything happens on the road, I can switch on the IC engine and continue my journey. That is what the whole concept behind parallel hybrid vehicle is. Let's go to the layout of parallel hybrid electrical vehicle. This is the layout. As you can see, the transmission is driven by both engine and motor. So when I am driving in an electrical mode, I have a charger which used to charge my storage battery, which is provided to inverter. Inverter provides the AC supply to motor, which drives the transmission or the gearbox, and the engine is alternatively supplied to the transition. So at any time anyone can be used for driving the parallel hybrid electrical vehicle. So this is it for layout and basic concepts of both battery electrical vehicle and hybrid electrical vehicle, both series and parallel. There are numerous examples, many new cars are turning up. So this is a topic to look forward to. Thank you very much for your attention.